Sending in 3, 2, 1, go. So today from the amazing air cannon, I am going to be launching a flashlight. I'm going to be shooting 108 crayons out of the air cannon. I'm going to be shooting a can of men's body spray, and I'm going to be launching a can of tomato paste at all of Mr. Chicken against the cement wall. So let's get right into it. All right, so now I'm going to send the flashlight, and I really wanted to see if the batteries would get ruined while I shot it. So put some batteries in there, and I'm gonna turn it on and shove it in there, and let's see what happens with that. And let's give our little chicken friend some lights. This time there really is light at the end of the tunnel. Alright, so we're ready to send our flashlight and see what happens, see if we can hit that rubber ducky. So here we go. Sending it in 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, there's some piece of the flashlight right there. And my goodness, here's a piece right here. And hey, there's a battery. Oh, I don't think the battery made it. It's pretty squished up, even after being inside of the flashlight. And our little chicken buddy looks just fine. Good times. Hey guys, I'm really excited about this part. So here I have 108 crayons. Put them in the barrel and launch them. It better hit Mr. Ducky this time, okay? It should, right? We'll find out. But here's the real question. Do you guys think that there'll be at least one crayon that has at least half left, okay? So do you think there'll be a piece this big left out of all 108, okay? Comment below, pause the video before you go on, comment below. I want to know what you thought. Say yes, there's gonna be more than half left or not. I'm curious to see what you guys think. I really don't know. My guess is there won't be, but it's really hard to say. So, I don't know, comment below and then move on to the next part of the video. So, okay, let's load them up and test it out. Okay, here goes the crayons. I'm gonna go stand back there and let's see what happens. Alright, sending it in 3, 2, 1. Check it out! Look at that. Woo! Look at that. Oh! Hey, it's alive. Look at that. Hey, oh, I don't think you can really call that half of a crayon. I don't know, it's pretty crushed. Maybe, let's see. See if there's a half a crayon anywhere. Oh, maybe this one? Ooh, alright, that's more than half a crayon. Yeah, there's at least half a crayon that survived right there. Look at that floor. My wife's gonna... yeah, there's like some up here on like the garage door, and look at that pile of crayons over there. 108 crayons. That's crazy. I've got some all the way back here, back by the cannon. Over here. It's like crayons everywhere. I'm gonna have fun cleaning this up, I'll tell you that. My goodness. Yep. Well, for those of you that guessed half a crayon, one. I didn't even think there'd be half a crayon left, but honestly, that is like the only half crayon that I can find is that one. Oh, there's two. Those two are the biggest pieces that I can find out of all 108. Alright, so next up we have men's body spray. So it says shake well before using, so we're about to use it, and so we're going to shake it up and see what happens. So let's load it up. Alright, comment below if you think it's going to hit Mr. Duck. Of course, I have no idea, so we'll find out. Okay, everything's charged and ready to go, so here goes nothing. Alright. Sending it in 3, 2, 1. It kind of smells good, but it squished it pretty good. But I don't know, obviously bounced and landed on the floor, so. Oh, look at that! I think it did it, Ducky! His neck is like coming off. He must have had a good blow or something. Oh, his neck is kind of strangled. Poor little guy. Oh, he's been good to me. So last item we have on the list today is the tomato paste. Okay, I'm a little bit worried that this metal can's gonna break through the bricks, but I don't know. We'll find out. So let's load her up. Alright, get down to a safe distance, and here goes nothing. Sending in 3, 2, 1, go. Look at that! Check it out! The tomato paste just splattered all over. And my chicken! Oh no! My chicken is... I don't know, maybe we can put him back together. It looks like his head just popped off. Oh, and there's his body. Yeah, pretty sweet. So, yep, it definitely smells like tomato paste. Oh, look at my ceiling. Don't ask me how I'm gonna clean up there. Just don't tell my wife, okay? Oh, good stuff. And it doesn't look like the brick is broke that I can see. It's definitely messy, so. My goodness. All right. Oh, and here is the can. Ooh, anyone want to eat that? Yeah, it looks like the tomato sauce ripped a hole in Ducky. Check that out. Well, if you guys have any ideas of more stuff I can launch, then comment below. I'll read them all, and then we'll be launching more things. Every week I'm going to be launching stuff, so hit subscribe and look forward to seeing you guys again.